How to correctly set up two-factor authentication on crypto.com. So to set up it, before setting up your 2FA on crypto.com, you will need to download an authenticator app on your smartphone. It doesn't matter if you have iOS or Android, you can use authenticator app on any of the smartphone. So here I have just given example. Majority of the Android phones use Google Authenticator, right? So I will explain you that how basically you can use this, but there is another example which is widely used, that is Microsoft Authenticator. Both the application work exactly same, right? So first of all, you have to open crypto.com, launch the crypto.com app on your smartphone and log in into your account just like you normally do it. Then you have to access security settings. When logged in, navigate to your account setting, look for the section related to security setting or account setting, which will be on the profile icon on the bottom right. Select two-factor authentication. Locate the option to enable two-factor authentication, which is 2FA by or authenticator app. Then you have to scan your QR code. Choose the option to set up 2FA using an authenticator app. Crypto.com will present you with a QR code. Now open the authenticator app you downloaded earlier. You can choose any one of them. Then you have to, in the authenticator app, you have to find the option to add a new account or manually add a new token. Use your smartphone camera to scan the QR code displayed on the crypto.com or enter the code manually if there is an option for that. Then after scanning the QR code, crypto.com will likely display a backup code. Make sure to save that code in a secure place. And it's very important, you won't be able to recover that code, so make sure you just write it somewhere. It can be used to regain the access to your account if you lose access to your authenticator app. Once you have added the authenticator or added the account to your authenticator app, it will start generating time-based codes. Here, this is an example. So this is a time code and this is a code, right? So you will get around 10 seconds. You have to copy that code and paste it into the crypto.com. Then of course you have to enable the successfully verifying the setup, enable 2FA on crypto. Crypto.com may prompt you to confirm the enabling of 2FA by email and another method. Then once confirmed, the 2FA authentication setup process is complete. Your crypto.com account is now secured with an extra layer of protection, right? But there is a very important thing, guys. Make sure to store your backup code securely and refrain from sharing it with anyone, right? Because that's what I explained you earlier. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.